Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Atif and this is the summary of today's lesson. Today we started exercise C, English student book, page number 6 and 7. This exercise is the practice of two reading skills, skimming and scanning. Skimming and scanning are two very different strategies for speed reading. They each have a different purpose and they are not meant to be used all the time. Skimming and scanning. Skimming is used to quickly identify the main idea of a text and is done at a speed 3 to 4 times faster than normal reading. We use skimming when we are asked to write about the summary to write the summary of the lesson. We use mostly skimming, or if you have to compare some text. Okay, so you need to do the skimming activity because sometimes we have a large text and we don't have enough time. So what we do skimming activity. We use skimming technique to identify our answer quickly. Second technique is scanning. Scanning is a technique you often use when searching for a keywords or ideas. In most cases, you know what you are looking for, so you concentrate on finding a particular answer. Scanning involves moving your eyes quickly down the page, looking for specific words and phrases. Remember that it is usually not necessary to read and understand every word in the text to find the answers to question. Mostly, when we have to find the answer for any given question, we use scanning technique. And in scanning technique, we read the text from up to down like this. We move our eyes from top to bottom on the page to find our correct answer or to find the keyword. Okay, because in every question we have one keyword. Okay, so for skimming, we read the text quickly from left to right. Mostly we read headings. Okay, we read bold text like this. This is the bold text. Okay, and sometimes we read the first sentence of the paragraph and the last sentence of the paragraph. So we got an idea about the paragraph. Okay, so we started as a whole class activity C. Okay, activity C2. Look at the advertisement for data source product. Answer these two questions. Okay, you have 10 seconds. Basically, this is the practice for our reading strategy. So we use that strategy to find the answer. The first question was, how many different products are advertised? So you can see that we have headings and each heading representing the one uh, product name. So we will not go for all the paragraphs and all and every word of the text. No, what we will do, we will just read the name of the products and we will go for the bold text or headings. So you can see data source puzzle finder, data source photo squeeze, data source trainer, data source news feed, data source my movies, data source comic fun. Okay, so we have totally 6 products. Okay, so you will write how many different products are advertised. You can say total 6 products were advertised. And what technique we used? We used scanning technique to answer the question. For question 2b, which product is the most expensive? So in this question, the keyword is most expensive. Okay, so you can say that when we want to compare something about with respect to money, okay, we will go for the price. Okay, if you want to know what is the price of the product or how much this product is expensive, we will find the price of that product to compare it. So we will straight away go for the prices. Okay, and we will go for normal price. So because discount offers or discount price can be vary, okay, they can be changed, but the normal price will tell us which product is the most expensive. So you can say normal download price $2, normal download price $6, normal download price $2, normal download price $8. This might be expensive. Next, normal download price $6, normal download price $4. So you can see that data source newsfeed is the most expensive product in data source store. So you will write data source store, which product is the most expensive. You will say data source newsfeed is most expensive product. Okay, so exercise 3 is you need to tell us which technique you use to find the answer. So you can see I never read the text from left to right to find the answer of these two questions. I read the text from top to bottom. Okay, so you will say I use scanning technique to find the answers of activity C2. And then after that, did you read every word in the text? No, I never read every word. I just looked at the price. Okay. I just go for the word price. I found all the word price and then I choose the highest price. Okay. And did you read quickly or slowly? Yes. I read the text quickly. Okay, so after that, as a whole class, we solved activity 4, 5, and 6. And these activities are also belongs to this text, okay, the text on page number 6. As a whole class, we read the questions one by one, and then students participated to find the answer of each question. So after that, we discussed the homework, and I'm going to show you here. I'm going to display the homework. So here is the homework. Page number 1, exercise 3, 4, and 5. Exercise 3, 4, and 5 is your homework, and you have to complete it before the next lesson. That's all for today's lesson. Thank you very much for joining. Allah Hafiz.